Now that we have the equation for slope, let's figure out how to find slope from a table. So here we're given a table with the x column and the y column. Don't forget that f of x is a nickname for y, okay? So to find slope, we're just going to use the equation that we wrote down in our previous example and plug in some numbers. We already know that the slope, which is m, is equal to delta y over delta x, or the change in y over change in x, okay? That's just what we know. We already know this part. So now what we have to do is figure out what the change in y is and what the change of x is, and plug those numbers in. So if we look at our y side, look at your y column. From the first y value to the second y value, we went up 3. And from the second y value to the third y value, we also went up 3. Because we went up by constant terms, meaning we went up by 3 the first time and up by 3 the second time, this is a constant value, which makes our change in y equal to 3. This wouldn't work if we went up by 3 the first time and then went up by 4. That's not constant. When you're looking at slope, make sure you're looking at the constant change in y. Okay? So next, look at your x side. Our first x value to our second x value, we went up by 2. And then from our second x value to our third x value, we also went up by 2. Because, once again, these two are constant values, our change in x is 2. Change in x over change